Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change time and date format on Apple Watch SE 3. First, grab the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch and open the app library on it. Then search for the watch application. Open it and scroll down to the apps list. Find clock and open the clock settings. And now to change the time format, you just have to switch this dial to the left if you want a 12-hour time format, and to the right if you want a 24 time format. Now, if you want to change the date format, it's only possible if you go to settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to general section, then go to your language and region, and here select region, and now select the new region for your device that uses your preferred date format. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.